Good morning. In the last video, we have seen some cosmetic option related to table and matrix in Power BI Desktop. Now we are going to learn web URL option in Power BI Desktop, basically related to table and matrix. For that, first we upload the data. File name is web URL. It's a Excel file. Click on transform data. First we clean the data and then upload into the Power BI Desktop. Use first row as a header and click on close and apply button. It will take few seconds to upload data in Power BI Desktop. So data is ready. We have two columns in the data set, state and wiki. Select the table, add both the columns here, state and wiki. Both are textual data. For better visualization, I'm going to increase font size here. Click on apply button. So now it's better. So you can see here both are the textual data, but actually in the second column name is wiki, we have a web URL links. So here we can convert this textual data into web URL. For that you have to click on wiki, you have to select that column and go to data category option and convert it into web URL. Now you can click on links and check one by one. So I think all links are working properly. In the format tab, you can find one option, URL icon. So here, instead of links, we can use URL icon to shorten the link for better visualization. Just click on this button, values. Now if I click on this link, automatically it will give same result for Texas. So this is the way we can use URL icon option here in Power BI Desktop. Also we can activate these links in the state column also. For that you have to move to cell columns, and here you have first select state, because we have to activate these links on state columns. And you can find web URL option here. Just click on this button and one dialog box will appear. Here you have to select wiki, because we have to apply these links on state column. Just click on OK button. Now you can see this textual data or textual column state converted into the web URL. Suppose I click on California, it will show same result for Virginia, for Texas. So this is the use of web URL in Power BI Desktop. You can use or you can apply this web URL using URL icon or cell elements. So this is done for this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for job at Pondicherry. Like my videos, share my videos. Thank you.